Hello explorers and welcome to another video. Today we're going to continue our Linux journey and we are going to compile Linux from scratch. So now we have configured the glibc and now we need to adjust the toolchain somewhat. We need to move some files from tools, bin, and we need to move LD and L to LD old, like that. So we move those over. We need to move tools. Uname, machine, PC, Linux, GNU, bin, and do that as well here, LD to LD old. Now we have moved those as well, and we move tools, bin, and here we do LD new LD. So we rename that, and we need to do some linking. Tools, bin LD to tools. Tools, and here we have uname again, so the machine, arc, PC, Linux, GNU, bin LD. So we link that up, and then we do gcc dump specs z E S @/tools @G. Okay, and on the next row we do E // start file prefix spec /n colon s at point star at / user lib @ end, and another line E // star cpp colon / n s $@ isystem /user /include @ and we end that one, and we will put that into dear name. Oh my god, these commands. Gcc print libgcc file name /specs. Okay. Oh, these needs to be those crazy backticks. Like that. But the other ones could be standards. Whew. So now we can do an echo int main. So we do a very small command into dummy z. And then we will cz dummy z vwl colon verbose and @ sign. Where is the @ sign? There is the @ sign. Dummy log. And then we do a read elf la out. And we'll grep for /lib. Didn't we get an out file? Maybe that's the problem. Yeah, that was the problem. So now we can run this strange verbose command up here, like that. And then we run the elf command, read elf after that, like that. And then we will see that we have this lib64. So that's the correct thing. And then we need to do a grep. So grep is when you look inside of a file. We will do -o /usr/lib star /crt 1 in dot star succeeded and dummy log. And we got all these succeeded. So that sounds great. Exactly what we wanted to see. We also want to do a grep -b1 with uptick /usr include, and then dummy log. Include starts here and then include. So we verify that it's searching for the correct header files. We got that output, and before we make sure the setup is the correct for the start files. And we can also do a grep search star /usr local lib dummy log, and then do a sed s pipe colon pipe dash /n -g. So that will give us all these search dirs, and those seems we got USR lib and lib. Reference to past have components of and should be ignored. Yeah, so we should ignore the other ones. And we can also do a grep /lib. So we do a lot of checks in this dummy file here, so we see that everything looks good. So attempt to open succeeded. That's what we want to see as well, and we should grep found in dummy log, and we found that library there as well. So now that we have looked at all these things and we are sure that we have built the thing correctly, and that all the correct libraries are used, we can remove those files. So now we should build a lot of packages here. That's next up. So we're going to continue building the system and building a lot of packages. But it's getting quite late here, and I've done a lot today. It's going to be a few videos, and I will split this video up in multiple videos. But I think that this series is gonna give you something, and I hope that you will learn something from this series, that you will understand Linux a little bit better. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any comments about this specific video, then leave them in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that, and I really hope to see you in the next video.